Caribbean Cement Company is already seeing returns on one of its largest capital investments to date. The company recently commissioned its $6.7 billion deep bottleneck project, valued at US $42 million, at its Rockford facility in Kingston. The investment, described as one of the biggest of its kind globally, is designed to improve both output and environmental performance. CBX News caught up with Director of Cement Operations at Caribbean Cement, Miguel Estrada, during a tour of the company recently, who revealed that the upgraded plant has already delivered measurable results, notably increased production capacity and reduced emissions. He highlighted the two key reasons behind the company's investment in the debottleneck project.
The reason why Cemex decided to do this upgrade is to increase our capacity from one side, and second, to correct some restrictions that we were having to fulfill 100% our environmental objectives.
So, what successes have come since the project was commissioned?
After starting, the first benefit that we were expecting to see, and we consider, is how clean our stack looks now. Because we were reaching the limit with the previous bathhouse, the filter, or we call the filter, was at the limit of the capacity, and we were struggling in some opportunities to keep our standard emissions below 50 or 30 milligrams per cubic meter. Sometimes even with visible stack with emission, and there are some clear regulations internally in Cemex, but more important in the Jamaican regulations that we were having some difficulties to fulfill before, and now we address that. The capacity of this bathhouse is almost double the one that we used to have in the past, because we leave it ready for future expansions.
He also explained what the plant upgrade involved.
I mean, the upgrade was composed of three main elements. The first one is the replacement of our main filter of bathhouse, the one that is in charge to clean our combustion gases before going to the atmosphere. The second part of the upgrade was to replace the fuel system. We are burning here petcoke or coal, depending on the price during the year. We switch between the two fuels. This is our main fuel to operate the kilns, and the complete system for controlling that supply of fuel to the kiln was totally replaced.
The third component was the gas handling system, which had previously reached its capacity but can now accommodate the increased production levels. Meanwhile, Mr. Estrada emphasized that Cemex remains strongly committed to the Jamaican market, especially given the recent surge in the construction industry.
That is clearly indicating the commitment of Cemex to the market in Jamaica, our customers, and how Cemex sees the future, very positive future here. Otherwise, that investment wouldn't be done.
Director of Cement Operations at Caribbean Cement, Miguel Estrada. The bottleneck project took approximately 50 days to be implemented by Carib Cement, with 1,000 workers from several countries involved.